Hello, welcome back to the channel. Came to my attention that I kind of made a mistake in this last video that I made about relisting items. Don't relist. I meant to say sell similar. I only sell similar. I don't relist. I don't relist items. Sell similar. That's it. In the demonstration that I showed you in that last video that got like 4,000 views, did pretty well, brought a lot of subscribers in. I did show you that I did sell similar. It's just that I kept saying relist items. You guys will learn. English is not my first language. Plus I'm dyslexic. You'll find out. But anyways, let's go. So I did it again. As you can see, you could just pretty much look at the graph. Let's try to make it a little bit bigger. Hold on. There. You'll see right here, the last video that I made, I think it was like a couple days ago, probably last week, I ended and sold similar, probably like 2,000 items this day right here, that Monday. Okay, I did it, then my sales went up from where they were prior. Okay, pretty much in the hundreds and mid 200s. Then it went up to like the threes, and we had one day where it was 525. Okay, then after your boost is done from selling similar, it starts to go down all the way down to 138. Then I sold similar again, and we got our boost back up. And yesterday was a nice day of $538. So real quick, I will show you guys again, quick demonstration, just so we're all on the same page. Let me check my ends, make sure there's no items in the ends. You see, I have 2,000 items, 2,600 from the last time I sold similar. So there we go. Let's just do one set. Let me bring my screen a little smaller. So we're gonna do one set. Okay, it's just gonna be new, so I'm not gonna delete all this. It's gonna take a while for me to delete. So we're gonna go to active listings. Okay, so now we're in the active listings. I'm gonna sort by my oldest items. This is May 22nd, is the oldest items that I have on file. Gonna select the 200, action, and listings. Okay, from here, go to your ended. Grab the last set of items. Date ended, so that's today, June 2nd. Do not relist, right here. Do not relist. Do not relist as fixed price. Sell similar. So this is what I meant, and this is what I was doing in the last video. Just to clarify. And that's it. I just selected all, bulk, submit. There you go. I got an item that has something that's charging me $1. I don't know what that is. So there you go. That was pretty much it. What I was trying to do in the last video, but I kept saying relist. Don't relist, sell similar. Now if you guys are interested, just real quick, I know this is not a what sold video, but these are, I'm just gonna leave it like this. These are some of the items that I sold in the past few days, especially for my boost. So you could look at some of these types of items that I sell. I'm not really showing them off like that because they're not like super bolos that you guys should be going out there and fighting people for. I mean, Kendall and Kylie, I don't know. That's not even a brand. Architect, come on. I mean, I pick it up because there's a store that I go to on Saturdays that sells items. You know, they're long tail items for 50 cents. So I pick up men's pants size 38 because I made a video about sizes. Size 38, 36, 34s are pretty good to pick up. So this sold. You know, got an offer for $10 and plus shipping came out to 19. LL Bean, women's capri, vintage in sync. That's a nice sell. Okay. Time and True, women's top. This says mini dress. Could be a top, could be a dress. I don't know. Terra Sky. I got a whole bunch of those from Walmart. They had a whole row of 3X Terra Skies. I picked them up, and this sold for $24, which is pretty good. Truthfully, that's more than it sells at Walmart. 100%. It's newer tags, but that's more than it sells at Walmart. That's not 24. Converse. There you go. Territory Ahead, men's top. Pick it up. This is a good brand to pick up. Duluth is also a solid brand. Solid, not the best, but it's solid. The pants do a lot better. Got 18 for this. American Eagle, women's standard. This is a nice vintage shirt. I had this overpriced for a while. I had it for like $300. It was overpriced. Never got a bite. Brought it down. I guess this was the market price. I checked yesterday. I thought somebody stole it, but that's the market price. Another Terra Sky big dress that sold. Polo. This is custom. This is a custom polo. I think it's just a regular custom hoodie, but somebody tie-dyed it and it sold. It had a couple stains on it. That's why they price it higher. Levi's jacket, X large, American Eagle shirt, pretty standard stuff that you find at the bins. INC International. There you go. There goes that. Dockers. That's another one of those 50 cents items that I pick up. I pick up Dockers. If it looks good shape, look like a newer version of Dockers, I will pick it up. Only because of the price, not because it sells super fast. I have a lot of Dockers in my store. Men's shoes, Sperry's. That's good. Men's shoes used to sell a lot better for me, but not anymore. The price of everything has came down. Lands' End, women's shorts. J. Jill cardigan. There you go. Style & Co. You guys sell Style & Co? I know you guys don't. $9 plus shipping gives you 18. Lee Riders. I know you guys not buying Lee Riders. I pick up Lee Riders. I Alone. Chico's, Izard, LL Bean. There you go. So you guys see the kind of items I sell for my store. Croft and Barrel. You guys are not picking up Croft and Barrel. Hydraulics. You guys are not picking up Hydraulics. And this is juniors too. There it goes. But at the end of it all, it adds up to like 7K profit. So it works out. It works out. Keep going bigger. That's my motto for my store. Christopher Banks. But anyways, that was the video. It was not meant to be a what sold video. It's fixing an error. Remember, don't relist, sell similar. All right, y'all. Please like and subscribe. Catch you guys next time. I'm out.